So here is the chorus for Desecrate Through Reverence. I'm not 100% certain on the position on the C chord. I don't know if they play it down here or if they play it down here. I've never been able to confirm or deny that. I know that it is a C. I just don't know where they do it. My suspicion is they play it down here because it's harder. So I'll show you both ways. So it starts out, again, get that strumming pattern going. So that's the first part before we go down here. All right, so. Okay. Or the other way. However you want to do it. And then it just goes into the